Your business idea needs a website? So go to Wix.com. I know what you're thinking, another Wix ad. But before you skip, think about it. It's time to grow your business. So what are you waiting for? Today's the day. I'll show you how. This is the site I created for my ad agency. We're all about creativity, so we want our website to be as dynamic as we are. Now we're talking. This show reel helps us attract new clients, so we always keep it up to date. Looking good. We just won an award for some epic content. I'll share the news right now with an email marketing campaign. Add a new pic. Nice. I love it. Wow. It turned out great. Go to Wix.com. Create your own professional website today.